If I had one chance, if I had one chance, if I had one chance, we miss you, bobblehead. One more chance, one more chance. If I had one chance, one more chance. If I had one more chance, I'll bring you back again.
If I had one chance, I'd bring you back. First shot, rob, now you. This shit can't be true. I'm staring at your kid's face like this can't be you. Damn, this shit's killing me, hurting a nigga mentally. Turn me down physically, life then became a bitch to me. Break a nigga's heart and walk away with no sympathy. Knife in the cake, I'm lost with no faith. Your love can't be replacing, the niggas ain't who they say. So I'm rocking out solo and saving up all my cake. Keeping tabs on your mother and making sure that she's straight. Since your funeral day, some niggas ain't looked away. But don't trip, cause your brothers is repping you every day. Arian's fucking stag is my swag 1000. Cheddar still chasing cheese, cheese still chasing cheddar. So you know he's showing out for the family. That boy clever, tore the whole club down on your birthday. We bout whatever.
One more chance, one more chance. If I had one chance, one more chance. If I had one more chance, I'll bring you back again.
All I need is one chance, I swear I bring you back, bro. All I do is reminisce of how we used to stack up. And if any nigga tries, then his ass got clapped up. I hit your phone just to hear you say, call right back, bro. I wish that you could see baby love and all your kids grow. P and you just like y'all know what they in for. Anton a straight thug, Mari, she be wildin'. Mod in a Myriad, Brittany keep 'em stylin'. Instagram straight flexing, Christmas time I'm wildin' G. I'm doing all that shit they said I couldn't do, they doubted me. Ball hard on all your kids, I swear that you be proud of me. Locked off in that cell, dog, everybody out but me. 2 years later, 90 days after my release, old school colors, rims cost me a pound of quiche. I said rims cost a pound of quiche. Rest in peace, bobblehead.
One more chance, one more chance. If I had one chance, one more chance. If I had one more chance, I'll bring you back again.
Every time I close my eyes, I get to thinking about your bobble. All them long nights, fucking them sisters and they cousins, bobble. Can't keep you off my mind, so I be feeling like I'm stressing, bobble. Writing you this letter so you know what I'm feeling, bobble. Wish I had the chance to tell you don't go to that party, bruh. Then I got that call when you didn't answer, it was fucked up. I put 50 on their head, they was locked up, they be dead. I remember Squeeby calling the phone, you took the safe and the bread. I already know you see these tears I shed. You was a little wild nigga, a little misled. I showed you a lot, 17 your first block. You in court not running around town with them Glocks.
One more chance.